Morning, morning. Right, is it all up and running? Cool. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome to London session. So, looking like maybe before there was maybe a little move. My only issue was, take a look here. Yeah, it didn't really close below. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah. However, it was a nice top wick and a nice stop loss above, so that entry there might have been okay for people over here. Just point one out like that. 15 pips in the break of the low. That's not too bad. That's probably the best stop you're gonna get all week for that 34 pip run. Nice. So yeah, let's look at Goldie as well. Goldie's retracing. Goldie on the 4 hours retracing back up to 1819. That's a hard area to take a buy on. Okay, let me just go through this here, guys. So, welcome, welcome. I think I've got everything on. Good morning, good morning. Let me just have this on over here. And we should be ready to go. Should be ready to go. Does that work? Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. Ah. Let's change something over here. Okay. She could 10 pips in GD, but if I waited 1 sec, would have caught 30 pips. Oh, nice. Woke up and the first thing I did is draw trend lines and cold lol. Okay, so let's take a look over here, guys. Yeah, we're all sorted now. So, yeah, I was messing around here. Jesus Christ. So the daily time frames over here. Pretty bearish. Actually retraced all this move and filled these wicks up to the left hand side, which is nice. Mirrored the candles to the left, and now we're back in this area. Not really the nicest area in here, to be honest, but this before was nice. Okay, so the daily time frame over here is bearish, and it's got a top wick on. Very nice. To look at the candle. So yeah, bearish candle, very nice. 4 hour time frame. Made some resistance at 162.479. Now we are bearish, filling them wicks to the left potentially, all the way down here, and that also would be the next level of support, which is 161.322, which is not too bad. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. So the hourly time frame is continuing down, closing in 46 seconds time. The 30-minute is reflipped. So yeah, looking interesting. Looking like we are coming back down to these lows, which is like 30 pips away. It would not surprise if this 7 AM candle rips down, because it's done that quite a lot recently. So the current level of support is 161.528. If I take a look to the left hand side, let's take a look here. Take a look to the left hand side. Let me just put this on. Potentially, we could continue bearish to fill that wick, and then these bodies here first. Let me just put this a little bit nicer over here. So, yeah, for me that's a good level here. Why? Because the support's there and this resistance is there, right? And then furthermore, if the price wants to continue down, we should continue to 161 flat, and that would be the nice TP area. So, looks pretty good. Okay, so the 50-minute time frame closed bearish over here. The last one is making a top wick. The 30-minute time frame also closed bearish. Interesting. I quite like this. How big is this next zone? 28 pipperoonies to the support. To the next support. Let me just move this over here. Could be quite nice. So stop loss right now on this would be 14 pips already. Okay. Let me just get my magic keys on as well. So if we potentially took the break of the low, is the room enough? So you got to think about when you're taking trades, how much zone have you got left in this area? So I mean, you could scrape out 10 pips. You could scrape out 10 pips over here. So I mean, it'd be on the flip right now. That'd be a 10 pip stop. break of the lows also could be. So let's take a look over here. This break of the lows right now. Fuck, I don't have time to write this down over here, but it could be pretty good. Has it broken the lows yet? Nearly. So yeah, should continue back down to these lows over here. 161534. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, looks pretty decent. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Is there any retest? Maybe a little bit higher up over here. 162018. So yeah, let's take a look here. 1 second. Let me go see hi to the chat. Morning chat. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. So this GJ over here theoretically should continue down now. The only issue you have here is the 50-minute support is right there, 755. However, the 30-minute is pretty clean, but the support is pretty close. So let me just write this on here as well. Sells below 161531. Beautiful, and I think we should be good there. So look at the 5-minute time frames. Yeah. So yeah, sells there nicely. For me, buys is going to be above the daily flip, probably above this level here, 162814. Yeah. Do 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 do. So, 1 second. That would be rather nice later on, I think, to continue back down. Looking like this GJ is going to work potentially. So look at this 5-minute pushing down nicely. Should get down to the lows. If you got on the break of the lows there with stop loss above, you're around about 7-8 pips. Yeah. Okay, so didn't enter gold buys question mark. Let's take a look on the 5-minute. So like this, I think people are looking for this. Some of my people over here entered on people actually entered on the retracement and like this. That's kind of nice. That's kind of nice, yeah. That's pretty good. So, yeah, I think for Goldie, I'll do Goldie in a second. But that was the trade that I think a lot of people in the chat, I think I've just seen it before, took over here. So I think here now, right, if you got into that break of the lows and the flip here, yeah, like 8 pips nearly, I'd have stop loss to break even, hope it can continue. Because the wick to the left could be a little bit hard over here to break. Hey, do you want to ask a question? How long does it take you to become consistent and profitable? It's all dependent on the person, right? A lot of things, you know, someone who always over trades, over risks, etc, etc, they're never gonna learn, or it's gonna take them a much longer time, right? So I think for me, it depends on how risk averse you are. Do you want to take trades? Do you not want to take trades? All those things kind of add up, right? So yeah, all those things add up. Now GJ was break even. Nice, yeah. Did you try it? Nearly there. Okay, yeah. So GJ sells below. I think are going to be nice. Buys above are going to be nice. I think that's all we're looking for. And yeah, I do think that 50-minute there was okay. We didn't really close below, but I had a nice top wick, and the stop loss above the previous was only 14 pips. So got break even in GJ2. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at Goldie over here. You took some partials at the support, right? Oh, here, yeah.
Yeah, because I charted mine up I charted mine up this morning in a bit of a channel, etc. And obviously we formed support below Asian high, Asian low. And if you look at the 30-minute, it was retesting an M formation. You can kind of see it there, right?
What, this kind of? Yeah.
A retest. Yeah. And then the 30-minute broke above. So then I was the 15-minute broke above. I was like, oh, a bit scary, but the support we could have ridden to. So I took partials at the support on the 15.
Yeah, that's nice. Nice quick little one. Didn't want to hold it. 9 pips. Yeah, 9 pips is pretty good, squad. 9 pips is pretty good. So the daily time frame on Goldie. Hey, I tell you what, I was looking at these gold cells later on after the stream, and they finally played out, but they did fuck around for a while. I'll show you. I want to get in. So yeah, daily time frame very bearish. Actually closed below. So theoretically, if this flips and breaks the low, we should continue to 1791 would be nice. Okay, the 4-hour time frame over here. 4-hour time frame is bullish. Where are we coming up to on the bullish gold? We're coming up to a certain level of resistance. So interesting for maybe sells later on. I'm gonna look for. What's your gold spread? Let's take a look. Zero spread right now. Yeah, Max, when was your last trade in London? A while ago. A while ago. Let's take a look over here. It was, oh no, it was yesterday. I did AUD JPY, and then I did one on the 9th, and then one on the 6th, and then one on the 1st.
Fuck, I tried to take that as well, Max. I got slipped so bad.
What, on your stop?
I got slipped all the way to 8.12.
Oh no.
So I only got up like 7 pips.
Yeah.
So B, but...
Nah, that's alright. I think it was a good little push, because we see 7 AM does push quite nicely.
Oh, once it broke it, I'm like, oh yes. Here we go.
Yeah.
And then nope.
Do you see that one, Brian, before? If that was just a little bit lower, I think that would have been alright, but it was right there. And the only reason why I liked it is because the stop on the previous was fucking 12 pips in the flip.
I was a bit late to PC for that.
Yeah. That's 6 right. 6 o'clock.
That is nice. That is the normal trade that we would take. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Seems at fucking 6 o'clock. My 1.5 on my FOREX funds. Yeah. Nothing will beat IC markets. Okay, let's also take a look at news before I look at any more analysis over here on Goldie. Okay, so let's just get this up over here. Let's do this. Sorry. Okay, so today we have some Euro news we don't want to give a fuck about, and then retail sales at 1:30, and then FOMC. Fucking hell, gonna be an interesting day then. Yes, very interesting day for FOMC. So that's at 7 o'clock. So Goldie today is gonna be interesting, squad. It's gonna be very interesting. So yeah, we'll take a look at that. I will just close my eyes and buy gold at 90. Do you trade NY session? Yes, trade NY session. Yeah. I trade NY. Let me just move this over here. Yeah, but there still hasn't been that many trades for June. It's just been nothing there, man. No closures. We actually went past the simulation session on last month, and last month was actually pretty decent for retest anyway. This month so far has been very much break of lows and continues with no top wicks. So you get what you're given, boy. Still up like 3-4% for the month. So Goldie over here, as I said, is coming back up to this key level. Let me just take a look over here. So, you know, if price breaks below, it's coming retesting. So this is the level where it could either reject or push through. So the sells here would be nice to ride it back down. Later on, maybe. Later on in the London session, maybe. Let's take a look at the 30 minutes, etc. So, yeah, I mean, the 30-minute making support there was kind of nice at 6 o'clock. Let's take a look at the 15 and the 5. Yeah, and that 5-minute trend line is kind of nice. The wicks. My only issue was how would you have got in there? It depends how this would have started off. Because getting in there is quite nice, but you could have got in there with stop loss above us below. And that would have worked out as well, to be fair.
I saw that one too, but I didn't take it because it was so close to the Asian highs. And gold always does funny stuff, so it's better to be careful.
Yeah.
It's right at those, so sometimes it doesn't even go to Asian highs before it drops them down again.
Yeah.
Especially today.
Ooh, good. Yeah, that's true. The good thing was you had the 15 with you really as well. It's actually a 15 line as well. 1, 2.
Yeah, but when it's like in an area like that, I always wait for a bullish confirmation. So in this case, you have that small bearish one down to confirm the support of the trend line.
Yeah.
If you want to be safe, you wait for a bullish one. And that's the engulfing one, and then there's not much left.
Yeah.
So it all depends on how risky you want to be.
Yeah, turns out you got it. Very true. So, yeah, we'll see what GJ's doing. That was a good little effort though for people taking them trades there. I was actually writing the signal at the time, but I missed it. So, that was okay. Any moves I can make right now? I'm down $200 FTMO help. There's nothing yet, my man, but you've got a whole London session, so I'd chill out. So let me just mark out my zones over here on gold. So, yeah, coming towards this left-hand side, I know buys look tempting, but for me, this left-hand side is going to be a little bit scary because it's the area that I talked about on the 4-hour, and it's also this big-ass fucking rejection wicks here, which are not nice. So, I think for me, safest buys would probably be above 1824. So let me just write this on 1824 because that's resistance and support there. Buys 1824.62. And I'm gonna keep an eye on this resistance here, and then maybe if we do reject, then continue further below, back maybe below 1813. That would be kind of nice to continue bearish. This whole week has been tricky, lol. It's Tuesday, bro. Well, it's Wednesday now, man. It's only been 2 days, full days of it, so don't worry about it. Make sure you run up them likes. Run up them likes, boy. So yeah, we'll see the score. AJ looking like it's ranging over here. So look at the daily. I wish I took that AJ trade yesterday. I wish I held it on. It worked out nicely. Okay, so daily time frame right now is bearish. The 4-hour time frame is bearish. Very nice. And looking like it's in a bit of a consolidation range. The hourly time frames look like they really potentially could continue down. Right now we're at 163, big psychological level. Let's look on the 15 and the 30. Yeah, you can start to see this is probably the support. Why did I pick that line instead of maybe this line there or whatever? It's because this has held supports from here, and this is also resistance there. So this is the key level. If we break below there, it should fill these areas to these lows over here. Yeah. Big news these few days, and in crypto, seems like big players are getting liquidated. Protect your capital, guys. Yeah. That's why you see a lot of big ass moves recently. Yeah. Big ass stinking moves. Yeah, it's not the best. So yeah, I think I'm ready over here. Looking like the zone, from zone to zone is not too bad. I think sells and gold may be optional if if we come up to this level and start rejecting. So I will keep an eye on that. Yeah, maybe a break of that. That's holding it quite nicely, so maybe a break of that in these areas to continue down would be nice in the 5. So yeah, looking good, looking good. So gold yesterday, yeah, let me just show you the move that I was looking at. Yeah, this one here. So we had a support over here. We closed below, made a top wick. Look how nice that top wick was. And then on the flip. So that was kind of nice. 23 pip stops. Still look on the 5-minute time frame. How did that look? It was somewhere here, wasn't it? Yeah, it was there. I mean, something like that. It's kind of a little bit. I don't know. I remember someone sending me this actually. That closed below. This one made a top wick. Then this one drived. Maybe on the break of that low would have been nice. And that continued beautifully. Beautifully. So yeah, we'll see the score. Yeah, Obi-Wan Kenobi will be out as well soon. It better be good, because the last episode was fucking wank. It was not good. Gotta go get a haircut today as well. Get this bonnet off, man. It's time for the summer. I need a skinhead. Let's take a look what the chat's saying. Let's take a look at some questions as well. Max 5-minute sells on gold now. There's no break of a trend line, my man. There is no sells, brother. There is no sells yet. Skin fade, yeah, boy. The main volatility for FOMC, yeah. It's going to be big, man. I mean, we all know what they're going to do. They're going to put the interest rates up. They have to. They have to do it. They can't stop doing it. So, yeah. I'm going to keep an eye on all these pairs. And then we're going to be chilling for the day. Chilling for the day. I'll probably do another Magic Keys giveaway very, very shortly. So make sure to come and comment on all my Instagram posts. I'm going to pick a winner on Instagram. So make sure to go do that. And also make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are new here. We're trying to hit 7,000 subscribers now. I know London session has been absolutely horrendously boring for the past 3 weeks, but I can't do much about it. It's just been very much impulsive. If you want to do the impulses or learn impulses, I'd recommend going to DC. DC will do a lot more trades in these market conditions for sure. For me, I'm sitting back and relaxing. But if I see an opportunity like that one before at 6 AM, I mean, I would have missed that anyway because I would have started stream at 6:15. So I'm kind of glad I didn't turn up there because that would have been nice. That's the only one that I could see this morning. That one there actually was good as well. That's 2 30-minute candles closing bearish back below. Yeah, that's kind of nice. 4:30. You're looking at GJ sells with steeper wick made. Yeah, I know what you mean on the 30-minute. I can see it, but you need to be careful, man. The 50-minute time frame is just making a little range now. I'd always just, if you're looking at trying to get in on the flips and stuff like that, just really think about what's happened already, right? Price made a top wick here. It broke the lows, it pushed down, it came back up now, it's rejected this area, and now it's pushing back up. So, it's just not the perfect entry. I always remember Milan used to do that a lot. He used to try and get in on back on the hourly flips again. It's like, well, that was kind of the first push, man. Brian, Finn, etc., Roche, they all got the push, and now it isn't working out. So I took UJ sells on the hour, secured 17 pips. Oh, nice. Yeah, based on the 1 hour, that's what people say, based on the 1 hour, but it's like, yeah. The trade before was also based on the 1 hour, but now the only difference you have now is that prices already came to the lows, it's rejected, and now it's came back up. But yeah, I mean, if it just reflipped, go for it. Go to. Yeah. Yeah. Would you consider a buy on GJ after support formed on the 30 minutes? So for a buy, yeah, a buy is going to be a little bit hard. Look on the 30 minute. Yeah, a buy is going to be better above 162,790. Yeah. This for me is a bearish area. If I'm going to take trades in this area, it's going to be bearish. It's going to be taking sells, right? So that's what I'm going to wait for. That's what I'm going to wait for. That is what I'm going to wait for. So yeah, let me just put this over here. GJ monthly flipped. Ooh, interesting. So yeah, let's take a look over here. Gold up. Gold, yeah, gold's pushed up, but it's just we see this happen a lot of times, especially at London session. It's retraced all the way from the lows, and it's came right back to a level where it could reject, then continue back bearish. So I'm waiting for some sells over here. I'm waiting for some sells. You can see the 50-minute candles are getting smaller and smaller as well. So yeah, nice. So very nice. Oh, nice. What was this? I got a break even. Wanted to take 13 pips out. Ah, nice. Yeah, I mean, the retest there would have been nicer. Getting in there with stop loss below there, that would have been fucking nice. So if you got in there, stop loss below there, oh, I was like, that's nice, man. Stop was 20 pips, but your stop was in the previous zone. That was tasty. That was tasty. And then you got the, yeah, you got that GJ sell. That was nice, man. That was nice. A little bit early for me, but it was nice.
Yeah, I got that 6 a.m. push as well.
Nice, yeah. Fucking typical, man. I literally was saying, like, no matter what happens to me, I mean, in the past, in June and maybe a bit of May, the move will happen 15 minutes before I come on the stream. No matter what time I come on the stream, it would have happened already. So, I'm just gonna get
You
up.
had such bad luck with that. Man.
Yeah.
So you're over it now.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm just going wherever I want to, because if you think about it, today I could have woken up at 6 o'clock, came to the charts at 6:15, and I still would have missed that fucking move. So like, there's no need. I just need to eat my mangoes and go to the fucking mosque. Literally any time. And like now, I've decided I'm having no fucking showers until 2 o'clock my time, because when I have a shower, there's some good ass trades.
I do that. I get showered after London.
Yeah. You have to go straight after London though, because if you leave it too late and it gets like 10 o'clock or 10:45, you fucked another trade you just missed.
The best is like that van life. You build a van, bed, kitchen, shower, drive around. With nothing.
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna follow a little bit of that life here in Portugal, and then the Portuguese government come up with a law that if you have a van and you want to sleep in it, you have to go to a fucking campsite.
Yeah.
You cannot just park the van and sleep by the beach. If the police comes, they'll fetch you a fine, and the fine goes over from 300 euros to up to 200k.
Wow.
Yeah, so no van life for me.
No van life. Yeah.
No.
That'd be sick, to be fair, just traveling with your little van. And like a dog. I see a lot of people do that in America. I see on like TikTok they do it. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
You gotta like camping and stuff, though, otherwise you're gonna hate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd be able to do it. I'll miss my house too much.
We've got a motorhome and that shit's nice, but I mean it's not. It's. I mean, to be honest, I could fucking live in it. To be honest, it's actually not that one's huge though. 32 foot, so it's pretty much a fucking house. So Goldie coming up. Look at the way it's tapping on the 4 hour. So I mean, let's take a look at where you could have got the buys. As I said, that 5-minute break could have been nice. I mean, this 50-minute close as well was kind of nice. Yeah. And that was a 6:15 close. Yeah.
Bless you, Max.
No, I don't know why I'm sneezing so much, man. Sneezing. Install a waterproof monitor in your bathroom. I used to have my phone on with the chart in the fucking shower when I was younger. That was retarded. Euro pairs had made some 60-pip moves in the last hour. Yeah, there's some news coming out today. Quite a lot of it. Yeah, quite a lot of news. Quite a lot of news. So yeah, we'll see GJ. Looking like GJ's reflipping. So people in the hourly flips may be looking for it. How big is this zone to this work here? Ah, it's okay. It's not bad, it's not bad. That person speaking there, is that Brian? I think I know him. One of them's Brian, yeah. Spelt Brian. You think you know him? Oh, how does he know you, Brian? I think I know him. Have you ever traded US30? Nope. No, I have not. Do I plan on? Probably not. I'd rather just fully master my Goldie. I think that would be fine. I think that would be pretty simple. So yeah, I mean, if this, let's take a look here, 1820, yeah. If this rejects, it's going to be pretty good. Tell him Terrence from the vape station. Ah, well, you need to hook me up with a vape. My vape merchant. I love how Brian uses his vape. Man, mine's fucking ran out, man. These disposable ones are annoying me now. I use one like a day. It's fucking shit. Akash, please, for the love of Jesus, do not ask me again. Listen. GJ sells below, buys above. Goldie wait for some resistance to form over here, buys above 1824, and AJ is nothing really apart from sells below 92,916. You'll know if there's a sell or a buy coming because I'll put it in the chat. Chill out. Chill out, boy. Is your vape juice THC infused? I wish. Dancing Aussie keeper threw away the Peru goalkeeper water bottle. Typical. Did you watch that, Finn? And Scott, the goalkeeper. I know you guys don't really like football, but it was kind of funny. I'll show you it. Are they even in here? Look at this. Look at the goalkeeper. What the fuck? And he actually saved it. What the fuck?
He got it.
Yeah.
He got
He
it.
did it about.
Did you watch the?
Oh, the game last night. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What the fuck? 4-0.
I didn't watch the game. I just remember seeing on YouTube the highlights, and I thought, am I seeing this right? 4-0. You fucking serious?
Wow. Biggest cannabis. Wait, is cannabis legal in India?
Everything's fucking legal in India, man.
Really?
You can do what you want.
Oh, that's
Please don't
sick.
do shit.
I'll pay you.
Murder someone if you want.
I'll pay you. I'll play you in FIFA for a 3 months membership, lol. Mate, I'm fucking good at FIFA. To be fair. South, get out.
So you say. So you say we've seen nothing yet.
Yeah, that's true. I'll do a stream some point. On the
Seen
weekend.
nothing yet. Just this big talk.
GG not look good today. Ah, looks alright. I mean, it's just in the zone, right? If it breaks out, it's gonna be good. I used to own my own cannabis company in Liverpool. I can't believe, yeah, England, man. Ah, the one opportunity they had in the Euros, they fucked it. Now I'm never gonna win anything ever again. Be very worried if you're holding crypto if you don't understand this shit. Yeah. Also, guys, with this crypto thing, right? With people saying, you know, it's going down, it always does this. This is the cycle, etc., etc. My only issue with it in that statement is, why the fuck are Coinbase and other crypto exchanges laying off people and getting a bit scared and stuff if they know this happens? Like, you know, if they're so comfortable with it, why every time it goes down do they fucking shit their pants and like they have to lay off 18% of their people? It's like, isn't that like just a little bit like low confidence for what you're dealing with?
If IC Markets would refuse a payment from me, I would run direct.
Yeah.
And nevertheless, Coinbase, Binance, and all the other big platforms that do cryptos, they are doing exactly that you are saying. They're not paying out people that want to get paid. I would run. I would not invest 1 single cent in crypto after that.
Yeah. You can't fucking withdraw your money.
It's gonna go to zero.
That's mad. You can't withdraw your money on Bitcoin, even though that is the whole part of an exchange. I'm going to a restaurant for my birthday. All you can eat, like Chinese restaurant. Fuck. You can order it on like a tablet. You just have unlimited. So that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice. So looking like Goldie has continued up, which is nice. But yeah, we'll see later on. Monetary policy impacts everything. Stock market have been bleeding. Every business and income household will be impacted, and Bitcoin is different, I guess. Yeah, just maybe a little bit more than anyone else's. Is it still down today? Have we hit a little market, or is it still a little bit fucked over here? It's still fucking down, boy. Oh my god, it's fucking bleeding. I swear people were saying that $20,000 US is gonna be the low. Let's take a look. So it must be close to that now.
Yeah, but last week they were all screaming, oh, 22 is gonna be the low because that's the 200-day moving average. It's gonna go up. Well, hope they fucking do it, didn't.
Fuck. Look, I've already broken the daily lows already. Shit. Mate.
I read something about it yesterday. If Bitcoin would go down to 18,000, there would be a lot of DeFis that would have had to liquefy the positions they had in Ethereum and whatnot. So that would mean Ethereum would go down up to $450 and Bitcoin would go down to 12.
Wow. $450, I'd probably buy a bit of Ethereum because I quite like Ethereum. Ethereum's got some good shit around it. That's not bad. Might buy a couple of them. My mate sold his Bitcoin. He had one full Bitcoin and he sold it. What day was it that he told me? 1 second. He sold it. I think he sold it like there. Oof. No good. Economy will improve and later 2023. Thing is though, we've got a long way. We have only just started the downfall of the economy. Like we've literally only just started. Audi and AJ flipped. Yep. Very nice. I think below 92,915 would be okay. It's mad. Tell you what, when you're my age, life has not been easy, man. Holy fuck, everything's going up and shit. I was saying to my dad, like, how easy these fuckers have it. Everything you buy goes up. Every house you buy goes up.
That's all about to change.
Yeah. Sign a holiday lodge. Nice. These charts make me want to take a nap till NY. I'm just waiting patiently. For a motherfucking trade on London session, which is actually reasonable. Which is actually reasonable. There's been nothing. I am going to be a bit more aggressive though, because I'm just missing so many just aggressive moves. So when I see it, I'm going to do it, right? But I'll have to see. So yeah. People in Ethereum need anesthesia, motherfucker. Oh my god. I want to know who some people may have held. So the 50 now closed. Yeah, it's not looking too good now. But why is it not looking too good here? Well, because it's in this range now, right? You get the push in, nice. Maybe the 7 o'clock push would have been okay. Yeah. Goldie. Wow, Goldie's just fucking launching. So that entry there would have been nice at 6:15, 6:30. So now, if you got in there, but you would have got wicked out on them, I think. Maybe. $50 pipperoonies. What you may have done is maybe on the break of that high, you could have waited for the closure, like Vincent said. But that the break of the high would have been not too bad either, to be honest. After it retested that trend line, that could have been, yeah, reasonable. So let's take a look. Are you profitable so far? Let's do this. Let's do this. Take your 2 trades. I am profitable, not by a lot, but oh shit. I'm actually profitable because I took that gold trade that we took yesterday, which was nice. So I'm up around about, and that one was at 20 pips as well. So yeah, I'm about nearly 2% this week. That's not bad. That's not bad. Not this week. This week's so fucked. I got 1 break even and 1 W, so 2% up. Nice. Not this week. This week's so fucked up. Yeah. It's okay. We'll see what we can get. Hello, one answer. Do you think Euro USD reverse now going bullish? I have no idea. Send me a chart. Send me a chart, my boy. Yeah, maybe. That'll be quite a big retrace for that. It's only like 100 pips, 150 pips. Shit. But yeah, it could be. Tyven says 82%. What do you mean 82%? It's looking like people are. Looking like a lot of people maybe have not take many trades this weekend so far, I think. I think that's the main gist of things. I saw Tom drew that line to the left hand side. Let's take a look where it was. Is it on the weekly that he showed me? Yeah. So you should go maybe touch that line over here. That'd be 19,000. Wow. Oh, look at all that gains though. Fuck. Imagine someone just trying to hold this. This is what would happen though, right? Everyone at these highs thinks that's going to continue, and they never have a system to take any profits, and then they're back to square one again. I think if traders like us who've been doing this for a while got into crypto, we would, like, you know, I think for me, taking positions off would have been reasonable, like would be, you know, there. Whereas like my mate who bought crypto, he just never sold because he always thinks, oh well, now we're at 65, we're gonna get to 100,000, which is all the way up here, so I'd rather just hold it. And it's like, I know, but you need a plan. Before you get in and invest in something, you've got to have a plan to get out as well, because there's no point in holding it. So yeah. When you get into even like investing in a company and stuff, you got to know when to, you know, what your strategy is, right? What your strategy is, boy. Let's take a look. I sold all my crypto when Bitcoin was 60k. It was terrible because watching it move to 69 before crashing. Oh, that was good though, man. Someone said took 2 losses of 5 pips each. Nice. That's good management. 5 pip losses, not bad. Double bottom on GJ, now making the support. Interesting on the 5-minute. Very low time frame though. 50-minute. Rejecting the lows. 30-minute close bullish. You see that, Bri? It's just it's too bearish for anything really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the 15 still stuffing around as like a retest, right? Break and retest.
Yeah.
With a bit of a fake out to the top.
Yeah.
So it's in a bit of a yuck. Yeah.
Yeah. Gold coming up to resistance to sell. Yep. Maybe at 8 o'clock we'll see the score. See some 50-minute candles. Counting your pips is like weighing your wallet. I don't get it. What? I'm so confused. Did Lindsay take any trades yesterday? Ben, why? Let's take a look over here. I think she looked at the goal. Yeah, she didn't take any trades, I don't think. Nothing there, boy. Gold, yeah. So we'll see. I mean, there's no rush to get in. What broker do you use? I use this broker. Make sure to go and join it. I'll whack it in here. It is the best one. Here's the spreads. So yeah. Goldie over here, 1 pip. GJ 0.6 right now. So there's the link to join it. England 8-4, not good. Yeah, I know. Yep, I know. That's mad. That is very, very much bad. Oh, I wonder who's gonna win it. It's someone like Brazil or something, right? So yeah, we'll see how GJ Gold relaxes over here and see what the score is. And yeah. Just looks like GJ would have got 10 pips there. How much we just stop on the previous? Yeah, pretty big. 5-minute closure was nice. How much it just stops? 12 pips. Okay, flipping the 4 hour. So looking like the 4 hour now has rejected the lows. So just be careful there. People got in the hourly flip or nearly flips? Just be careful, as I said. Just be a little bit careful with taking the hourly flips after it's already broken the lows and stuff. It's not the best. With Goldie it's okay, but GJ normally he doesn't like it too much. He doesn't like it. So yeah. It's Harry Maguire. Did he even play? I didn't even watch. I didn't even see him on the pitch. I've also got icy markets, but my spread's been seen 1 pip higher than yours. Do you know why this is the case? I noticed that I don't pay commissions, so that must have something to do with it. Yep. It's because you don't have the raw spread account, my man. You just have the normal one. So raw spreads is the one you need. Oh yes. Dude, is Sash in here?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, you are here. I was like, oh my god, my guy slept in.
Look, it was no.
What time you said hi?
I was here an hour ago. I've been here.
Oh.
So there was a minor blimp after the weekend. That's it.
Oh, my back is sore from the gym. Fucking hell.
Don't you just hate those guys that make a weekend 5 days and they work week 2 days?
I only need 2% and I'm done. 2 more and I'm done for the week.
Love your stream. Which broker do you use? Icy markets. I'll whack it in here. Wow, I love you all looking for it. I'll whack it in there. Let me just check as well. So yeah, the FOMC will be interesting for later on. I hope Roger streams it. It's very enjoyable. It's like going to the casino with your fucking retarded brother and you just watch him gamble his money away. It's great. It is very, very enjoyable to watch though, I'm not gonna lie. Roger streams there are goated for how fun they are. So, took gold sales today. Something didn't like about the trade close at plus 3 pips. Now I see that price. You eventually touched my TP. What a shame. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean it worked out nicely. Your stop loss is quite big, but I mean reasonable. I think even getting there, yeah, I think it was worked. I think after that lower wick, you would have put it to break even, and I think you would have been fine. Yeah. What do people think then on GJ? Interesting. I have no idea. How's this hourly looking? It's got 8 minutes left. This hourly close is bullish. Could be kind of interesting. That could be kind of interesting. Let's take a look at AUD, JPY, and Goldie. Oh, Goldie is rejecting. Goldie is rejecting. How much would the stops be now? 24 pips. You see it's rejecting that 4-hour level. Interesting. Interesting. So 7 minutes left for this closure. GJ buy is good if the hourly closes above 160. Yeah, I'd say probably 200. Yeah. Yeah, I think that could be pretty good as well. I'm down. Let's take a look. So 62% of people said they're up this week. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Look at that bearish candle over here now. Wow. So I said though, when you go to them levels, especially when the overall time frames in gold are just bearish as shit, well, you just something like that. Normally. Yeah, a little bit too steep that one, I think. Kind of class that as 3 touches, but that has no lower wick actually there. Yeah. So yeah, let's look at the GJ now. Yeah, GJ is nothing yet. GJ is nothing yet. 5 minutes left for London Open. London Open. This is when the money comes in, boy. This is when the money comes in. Regulated brokers must be able to submit evidence of regular audits, must always submit their accounts on time, and must adhere to criteria in order to remain on the regulatory body list. Yeah. I think picking a broker depends on what you want, right? I just did it because I know this one's been here for a long. But if you're picking someone like Roger or Ted's, then you know they're not gonna really fuck you over, are they? Because they're so big on the social media like part of it. They're not gonna fuck you over. So 5 minute close bearish. I mean, this is too close to 8 o'clock, but I mean, wow, if this one makes top wick and breaks the low, that could be fun to see. That could be okay. So if this one closes bullish, 4 minutes time, yeah. Where would you want to look for sells then, Bri? Oh, sorry, not sells, buys, sorry.
On GJ. Yeah, I would have to wait. I'd have to wait for above this.
Yeah.
Sorry, I drew that back.
Yeah.
I'd have to wait for above there.
Yeah.
and then see, because if you look at the 1H, it's clean, right? So you just got that middle support, which is now being tested, so that'll become minor.
Yeah.
So the 1H looks clean, but we just need a closure above that.
Yeah.
That's if we continue bullish, right? We've been stuffing around here in this area for some time, so we could even come down. We could cause on 50-minute, we could cause a double top at current price, right?
Yeah.
So you just gotta think of what could happen, what could be the hurdle.
Yep. What could be the hurdle? Dum, 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 dum. Let's take a look at this Goldie now. Nice retest, nice flip. It's just before the open though, which sucks. Which sucks. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, coming towards London Open. A minute 50 seconds time. Jesus Christ. Dying.
Again.
Yeah. Paper trade the last 5 minutes. Yeah, you could paper it if it breaks that low.
It's because you're cuddling with that Shih Tzu the whole night.
That shit too isn't even allowed upstairs yet, man. Too small. Fall through the banisters and the stairs. Fuck that.
Does your missus have a dog or not? No, too busy.
Too busy. Yeah.
Are you gonna get one?
Yeah, eventually for sure. I know I have to fucking look after it. So.
You don't really do much during the day, do you?
I fucking working as well. working my muscles.
Oh yeah, sure. How's that been going?
Great.
Oh sure.
My back is killing me from yesterday because I absolutely destroyed it. Oh! My lats are killing me.
You doing cardio?
I did a little bit of cardio at the end as well, yep. And then I came back and did yoga straight away as well. So, oh yes, COVID is real. So never flipped and broke the low. 50-minute time frame is going to close over here. Just get that rid of for people to see. Looking like it's going to be closing above, so I would not be taking the sells there. Okay, so this is London Open. London Open. How is yoga helping you? With stretching, my back. Oh, it feels amazing, man. I'm definitely gonna keep it up forever, I think. So, I mean, impulses on the buys are the highs there. Stop loss would be 16 pips already. Yeah. Back to that. Fuck that, boy. How did the 30 close? Yeah. Hourly time frame close bullish. Interesting. Would prefer an engulf on GJ? Yeah, me too, my man. Does yoga benefit your bedroom stamina? AJ looks good for closure below. Yeah, agreed. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes now. Interesting, we're coming down over here. We're going downtown. We're going downtown. Yeah, and golfing on both ways, to be honest, yeah, would be nice. It'd be interesting. If it breaks this 50-minute low there, it's not looking too good for the buys. For the buys. So 5-minute close bullish, yeah. It'd be interesting to see how Goldie works over here. I mean, if it projects and breaks the low, that would be a 24 pip stop. Interesting. 30-minute did close bullish though, so I don't think it's ready yet. I don't think it's ripe enough yet. Alright, we've got that fucking mic over here. Yeah, it's not ripe enough. Yeah, that news is going to be big. So they're thinking that the rates are going to go to 1.5. Which makes sense. Goes with what's happening, just going 0.5 every time. Makes sense.
Thing is, there's more and more analysts that think that it's going to be it's going to be a 75 point rate hike instead of a 50 point. 50 points would be bullish for gold, but 75 points, that would be bearish for gold. So that's what
75 I've also been reading. It's going to be hectic.
Because the inflation is getting out of hand, and so they're talking about 75 points this month and even 75 next month. So
people with mortgages and stuff, because mine was a fixed one, but people with mortgages that are
fixed
varied, yeah, it's not looking too good for you guys. Yeah.
How long do you sign your fixed rates for?
5 years it was.
Yeah, 5 years. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Right.
That's it's gonna hurt people, man.
Yeah. Obi-Wan Kenobi, the next episode is 43 minutes long. Are you joking me? I want a fucking 2-hour one long. Fucking cunt. 5 years could be the bottom. Yeah. And that's big as well, actually. Shit, people with variable rates, if they change like every so often. If you... Yeah, so the past 2 months, if it's from 0, now it's at 1.5 or 1%, that's huge. Yeah, not a vibe. I literally just got in before it started to get shit as well, because they were literally changing them here at the start of June. So I was kind of happy with that. I was kind of happy about that.
Yeah, the worst thing is people when they have like when they let the bank take a look to refinance, their house is gonna be valued less than what they bought for, so they're gonna have a problem having it revalued, and a lot of people are gonna be in big trouble.
The houses around here, I mean, ridiculous amount how much they're going for. I mean, there's been some houses around this area that are very mediocre, and they're selling for like 1.4 million pounds, and before it was rated about 700, 800. So I think it's interesting.
That's all coming to an end.
Yeah.
Maybe
Good.
Next 2 years.
I want to buy some more cheap fucking houses.
And but it's good for younger people.
Yeah,
because
exactly.
Houses will get affordable, but it's just people who got in like 2 or 3 years ago. They're gonna be smashed.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be awful. So be nice to your renters, as long as they pay, of course.
Yeah. So looking like GJ's come down over here. GJ's come down. Yeah, just be careful of them little tiny buys. Remember, like, you know, they're forming nicely, but you know, you got to get in a little bit higher above here before. Sorry, with the closure. Yeah. 8 minutes left for this 15. Broken the 30-minute lows now, coming towards the hourlies. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's take a look.
Sorry, Max and Byron. I have a quick question.
Yeah, my boy.
You see how, for example, the hourly didn't close above that area Brian had a concern with, right?
Yeah.
And then if you go in the 5, there was like those 2 rejection wicks. Would you have considered going in on the 3rd rejection wick or not?
I think it's going a bit too small a time frame. I think.
Yeah.
And also if you think about it, it's right next to 8 o'clock, right? If 8 o'clock wanted to push up over here, you'd have been slapped straight away. So too close to London Open, and it's just it's too. Don't look too much
15,
into the
you
lower
could wait
time
for that
frame.
double. You could wait for that double top confirmation, right?
Okay.
So 15, you've got the double top confirmation, but then again with the pattern, you've got a neckline to it. So now we actually need a big closure. But then if you look at the 15 minute to the left, you've got that strong support. So it's not the greatest, but you need a closure below for the double top to be active for a retest, right? Which would then be the neckline.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Let's take a look over here. I think I swear dollar was in a trade before, wasn't he? I think he was in a buy. Oh, now he's in a sell. Jesus Christ, dollar's taken fucking trillions of trades recently.
Probably also wants a Lambo.
GJ buys them.
Where is his GJ buy? Let me take a look over here.
Just like to see some better momentum to rise up.
Yeah, that. So then a GJ buy, that didn't go too well, and now he's changed his bias, he's gone for a sell. He did that yesterday as well. Interesting. We'll see. Let's get GJ down, boy. Let's get down to business. I have a feeling, I mean, it may just want to sit over here at 768. If it doesn't break them lows, man, this could continue back up over here. Yeah. Oh yes, sirree. Let's take a look over here. Wick came up perfectly to my marked retest zone, very satisfying. Oh, it's always the best, that. When it retests right to your line, oh my god. That happened fucking loads of times in the simulations that we did from last month. It's very nice. Yeah, we saw that, Manuel. I think it was just before 8 o'clock, and I actually never made the bottom wick over here. Yeah, if it breaks 18, 19 there, it could potentially work, I think. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. So there's 4 minutes left of this 15. Yeah, it hasn't really done much. Oh, I hope dollar's okay over here. Oh, you got it at 928. That's okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, goalie's reflipping over here on the 50-minute time frame. Take a look at the 5. 4 minutes left. Yeah, it's a little bit choppy though. I don't really like these candles here. A little bit choppy. Not the cleanest candles. Oh, so let's take a look. Is Dr. Dollar gonna manage risk over here?
He will have to.
Small loss. Now it's $70. 60, 50.
Would you just close half there, or would you just close full?
How long's he been in the trade?
Like fucking 2 seconds, man.
Yeah, I'll just close the fucking thing.
Alright, still not closing, boys. I think it's gonna. What are you thinking? Nah, I got it. Oh my god.
Get down, GJ boy. I want to take them cells if you want to continue. If you want to continue with me, I also want to take the buys too, boy.
Age today, we aging.
Yeah. So let's see now if he takes his position off over here. Has not hit it yet? Oh my god, it hasn't. There we go. Take a look.
Get ready, boys. Get ready to close half.
Sorry guys, I'm against you tonight.
Yeah, it's alright.
What's that red line there on your screen? Is that where he's getting out?
That, yeah, close half.
This range has been out annoying.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Oh my god, he's at his mangoes, holy fuck. Wait, is Jason in the building? Jason, come on here, my boy. Take a look at Goldie. I'm waiting for some fucking bearish resistance. Right, that 4 hour boy. Oh my god, Jason, your microphone is a fucking robot. Jason's got his mashed potato as his phone today. Okay, can you put the watermarks on? Oh shit, yeah, sorry. I was doing a little Instagram thing. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me just put the on. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. I mean, if we reject these lows again, then fuck, I'm gonna be looking for these buys to come back in the zone up here. Just gotta get rid of this. Gotta get rid of this 5-minute area though. Above here somewhere.
Because if we were gonna go down, we would have gone down to the volume, right?
Yeah,
So
that's what I'm thinking.
It's boring right now, isn't it?
Yeah, for new boy. These servers are too loud for me to... Jason's grafting, boy. Jason's put it in the graft so he can take them gold trend lines, boy.
I've never met someone who does less work at work.
He's just fucking around, man.
And his helmet on and pretends like he's busy.
Yeah, he just walks around on his phone looking like he's, you know, doing important messages. My guy's just staring at GJ in gold. Staring at GJ in gold.
Walking around with his clipboard. Looks important.
he's just there for the free samosas at lunch and stuff.
Yeah. Free samosas. Max, at what age did you lose your virginity? I just read that soon.
Relevant to trading.
I was ready to say like some trading things, stuff fucking reading like what the fuck. Look at GJ 4 hour, look left, we have an almost similar move to what we have now. I think it will go down for some time before it goes up. Maybe. Oh my god, Jason.
Oh, we fucking got that.
Jesus Christ.
Potato.
This guy's fucking...
Oh
my god.
Sounds like he's stuck in a truck.
Yeah. Oh look, Jason's working. Jason's fucking
No, Jason's watching.
Jason's watching, yeah. He's getting the guys to do the work. He's just sitting there in this fucking gold trade. That's great. That's fuck's sake. That's too funny, man. Hourly time frame hasn't broken the low of the previous hourly yet, so you know it's still a little bit sus for the sells yet. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah. Where's the volume kick, boy? Put Mike 5 in the chat to donate $5 for Jason's mic. It's only not that bad. I don't know why it's that bad. He's mining Bitcoin here. Yeah. Come on, GJ, do something. Goldie over here continuing up. Nice. Yeah, it's making me the market cap. Oh, no, no, no.
You must not go by this morning, eh?
Yeah, boy. 6 a.m. 6:30, 6:25. Yeah, that was the time to get them, I think. Jason, I can't hear you, my bro.
Fucking.
Jason, your mic today is like, it sounds like you're in a fucking. It's not. It's definitely not the workers doing work. Your mic is just a fucking potato.
Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah. Houston, we got a problem. Okay, 10 minutes left for this 15. 30 minutes should be reflipping over here, yeah. So waiting for the 15 close, I think will be the best. I think for me, personally. Jason is speaking from a Mars colony. Oh, that's great. So now I should have closed half over here. Take a look.
No.
He's still not closed half. Oh my god. I know I must stop now.
Yeah, watch your half position just melt.
I know, bro.
I'm rooting for you, bro.
I'm gonna be heated. I think I got
Hey, you still be.
2 L's this morning for Doctor. Yeah, I gotta wait for this little zone to break out, right? At least here. Get out, boy. How come trade yesterday not on your record? Because I couldn't send it to the group, so it doesn't count, right? It was. I even nearly missed it, man. I was having a fucking shit on the toilet, and then someone said in the chat, "Max, look at gold." I fucking launched to the chair and saw this fucking class trend line. I took a sell straight away. So a lot of people in the chat took it, but I couldn't class it as a trade, right? Also, wasn't even my trade idea really. I literally saw it and put it on, but yeah. I didn't know that my actual thing's working, so everyone can see this. Because I was getting messages like yesterday, like, Max, why did you put this on? I thought this was only work because I was just doing to see how much percentage gain overall, if that counted, was on there. But it must work for some people then. You must actually be able to see it, which is good. Took gold 30-minute wick fill, done for the day. Oh, 30-minute wick fill. Oh, that one here. Very nice. Taking your profit to the wick fill. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. 8 minutes left for this 15. Yeah, there's still not really a 30-minute bearish close yet, so I think the gold sells may happen later on, maybe at 9 o'clock. We'll see. Are you waiting for this 15 closure as well, Bri? See what the score is.
Yeah, I'm eyeing that out easily.
Yeah, because then that'll be flipping the 30, breaking the 30-minute previous high.
100%. Because I mean, leaving this support, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. AJ looks better if it closes below. Yeah, I said that yesterday, but then GJ put me off it, for fuck's sake. Where was that move again? Yeah, it was, where the fuck was it? Oh, there. Yeah, man. Was it there? Yeah, it was there. Worked out nicely. That's so funny. Jason speaking from a Mars colony, fuck's sake. So I mean, this is a treble bottom now. And you gotta think to yourself, man. If you haven't broken these levels yet, and it's been, you know, it's 8:22 in, you know, a London Open, it should have been already pushed down over here. So gotta be careful. I think the sells are struggling, but it makes sense, right? I mean, we haven't really retraced that much considering all these fucking sells. It's gotta relax at some point. But that doesn't mean just take a buy and hope to Jesus doesn't break these lows. You gotta wait patiently for closures. Closure. Okay, Goldie over here coming down again. 50-minute time frame could be closing bearish. The 30-minute time frame may be closing bearish. So that's something that I may look into, actually. Gold sells if the 50-minute closes bearish. Yeah, below. Yeah, I think so. I'd like a nice strong ass candle, but yeah, I think that could be pretty good. Oh yeah.
Yo!
No, I'm just getting spoilers. Oh no, I didn't go back. I'm just getting spoilers. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Well, someone fucking died.
It's a fucking it's a Star Wars nerd shit again. The biggest Star Wars YouTuber's streaming it now, and he looks like he's happy.
Oh my god.
You should have seen him last week. You should have seen him last week, Brian. He's pretty much wanting to fucking beat the shit out of the fucking Star Wars writer Kenobi. He's so pissed off with him. It was great. What's your view on GJ? GJ is in a consolidation range from the 4-hour flip to this new support. Buys above here, 162.200 in this area, going to be looking nice. So, I mean, yeah, at least above here. I don't really care too much about this candle. It's mainly this big resistance. And that's what I'm going to be waiting for. Yeah, and then targets will be the 50. The daily flip would be a nice target, and that goes well with these kind of resistances. So, yeah, that would kind of work nicely, I think. That would be kind of nice. Waiting for a candle closure is like watching face paint dry on Lady Gaga's face. My Lady Gaga's face. Oh, do you know what? I really can't be asked to listen to this one again. Let me try this one. Looking like Goldie's not closing the nicest. Remember, the 30-minute looks still bullish. The 15's going to close kind of weak. So, I'm focusing on GJ, bitch. Maybe. Right. So yeah, beautiful. 288 people in here. Make sure to like the streaming squad. We'll see what we can get over here. We'll see what we can get, but GJ looking like it may continue bullish eventually. 30-minute time frame did close. Oh, it's closing in 2 minutes time. Yeah, not the nicest candle. Would you say that 30-minute GJ is grabbing liquidity and there's a high chance it will go up? No, I think it's generally just in a range and we're waiting for a break above or below it.
Yeah, you gotta chill. As Max says, you gotta chill. I'm tired of chilling. I just want to trigger shit.
I know. I'm fucking sick of sitting on my ass all day and not fucking taking anything. We take a fucking trade, boy. How far do you think that England will go in the World Cup? Well, right now, probably to the first stages. GJ 30-minute looks good for a sell for me. Go for it, yeah. 30-minute closing in 2 minutes time. At least not taking L's exactly. Is your daily bias in GA not bearish? Yes. However, I know there's 4-hour support right where we are. So that's a no-no for sells, to be honest with you. Taking sells right there with this meaty support right there is not a vibe. And hourly's closing bullish, etc. in this new zone. You know, I think it's going to pop up and at least fill this zone over here for a retracement. But yeah, overall is going to be bearish. So later on I'll probably look for sells if it's not above here. But yeah. Can I write in this? I think you can. I saw Lindsay do it.
Yeah, you can.
Inside. How does that look? Oh shit. Okay, I need to change the font.
But you can also change it there. If you go style, you can go left, or there in the middle, style, yeah, then middle, right, center. No, input, sorry. No, other one. Input.
Oh, wait, where? Oh, here.
Yeah, and then you can see at the bottom there, you can change that stuff. Put all of your stuff on the right, then it's not covered by candles and shit.
I want to put it over there. How the fuck can I... Yeah. Can you check AJ? Yep. Yeah, still not really below the level I want sells below, but below 92,910 could be nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. That is what I'm waiting for, boy. So yeah, as I said, I will do the homework tomorrow and the simulation on Friday. Oh yes. Oh yes. Do. Where the fuck? I'm trying to think of where the fuck did Connor get in? Let's look on the 15-minute. Looks like he got in there, but where's this fucking top wick? Is this in a 5 minute? Let's take a look. I'm so confused I Connor got in. He got in 0:20 there. No idea.
Maybe break of that week.
That one there.
This one.
Yeah, but he's got. I've seen it. I've seen it on Instagram, and there's a I don't know what time frame he's on, but there's a candle in the middle that's bullish. And I can't find it on any of the time frames, and then the next one continuing down. On the 5 minute.
3 minutes.
I think he does a 3 minute. In a range now, no gambling, please. Exactly. Good advice. Good advice. Goldie's still holding these levels. AJ maybe potentially could be down, but yeah, not much volume, right? Not much volume, right? I swear that till last 3 weeks, if you came right at London session open, you already had a trade on the table in the 30 or the hourly max. Now I'm on charts with 2 hours before London and can't see a clean opportunity. That's how it is.
Shows you how cock it is at the moment.
Max, the last few days we've been getting solid downside on GJ at 9:30. I would be careful with the buys with the previous 4 hour bearish. Yeah. Oh my god. What the fuck is that 30-minute candle there? That's a weird candle it's closed on. Hell no. Pisses me off when I go to work at 9 AM. As soon as it hits 9 AM, we see a 50 pip move. It's just the trading gods. Some people have them with them, and some people don't. I am not one of them either, man. No matter what time I wake up, I've missed the fucking move, so I just give up and wake up at a nice time now. Nah, I will do some early ones as well, actually, to end this week. But today I really couldn't be fucked. I looked at GJ at like 6:15. I was like, it's already fucking moved. Wow. Back to bed.
Stop chasing your dream, Max.
What?
Have you stopped chasing your dream?
I have no idea what you're saying. Have you stopped placing your dreams, you say?
Chasing your dream.
Ah, yes, man. I'm fucking ready for this Obi-Wan Kenobi. Look at this guy's reaction. Something's happened. Yeah, sick. Looking like it's got good, finally. Like, fuck for that. Nice. Nice. So 162, I mean, also as well, you know, it's a psychological level. We hate taking trades like right there, you know, at the whole number. So just be a little bit careful there with trades. I think if I had to tell you one place to leave trades alone, would be at the whole numbers. The whole numbers are good to take positions off, but not getting in, because they can hold quite well. They can hold. Gold pushing up. Let's take a look. Yeah. Gold is pushing P still. Going towards 1824. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, beautiful. So then buys earlier there would have been beautiful 625. Oh, nice. Gold push until 1825. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I just want to trade, bro. Give me some options. Hey, I tell you what, man. The live streams. I mean, a couple months ago. Fuck me, it's so easy. Literally get on, put your charts on, wait for closure, take a trade. Wow, Bob's your uncle done. Now it's just so fucking boring.
Sleepy Joe must step down.
It's like this, and then wow, one candle will do this. I'll go, wow, great, thank you for that. It's just so bad for new traders, especially, man. Because you'd be like, oh, how can I catch that move? Like, you can't. You know, it's just randomly moved up. You can't get in.
We need all the mangoes for those.
Yeah, man, you need all of the mangoes. Algos at higher time frame high HFT firms also use quarters for trade exits entries, so they can be volatile spots for retail traders to enter on. Yeah, exactly, man. Good to take positions off there, but taking trades in like 162 areas is always, or 163, 164. It's just not nice, right? Make sure to like up the stream squad. I know there isn't anything yet, and I know it's been very, very boring recently, but I tell you what, it'll all change and it'll be fucking buzzing every morning. I promise that.
You really promise, Max?
Well, unless it rains like this for the rest of my life, then no.
Imagine you get dealt this till the end of the year.
Oh, mate, I'd quit.
We'll all be writing CVs.
Yeah, I fucking quit. It's funny though, because like looking back at it now, it feels like this stunt has been so long, but it's only because May, there was no closures either, top wicks or bottom wicks. It was all retest entries. And the stop losses were too big on the flips, that's why I didn't take any. So this actually, in this area here, would have been actually pretty beautiful if I knew the fucking retest strat, which we know now, so. Yeah. That one, this month as a whole actually wasn't as bad at all. It's just because we couldn't get into the trades because the stops are too big in this area here. And then that would have been avoided, that loss there. And that would actually be a no trade there. I wouldn't have taken that. And then, yeah, some other ones as well. But just how the cookie crumbles, man.
If your retest misses your buy stop or sell stop,
yeah,
you know you can get the flip then, because then your flip's got confidence, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So if you've missed the retest, don't forget about the flip.
Yeah. Flips for days. How many trades did Dollar take today? I think he took 2 trades. 2 trades. Yeah. 2 trades. Is he still holding this on? You'll hold this on until you get stuffed out, yeah.
What are you gonna do for your birthday?
He closed half though on this one. Sorry, I missed your review points on my gold chart. Can I see your gold chart? Yes.
Maxi?
Hello, Jace.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, a bit better than before.
Listen here, don't make promises you're not intending to keep, eh? On screen.
Wait, what was the promise?
That the markets are gonna get better.
They always do, though. They always do. Just like it happened in January. February is okay. March is okay. April was beautiful. It's just the cycle of life. The cycle of life. So yeah, we'll wait patiently. Get up, GJ. Come on.
There's big fundies today, man. I think that's the reason for this.
Yeah. It's just the amount of crap that's going on in the world. It just does not make this easier.
True story, mate. Myself and Jason were looking at NAS yesterday, but on low time frame, absolutely low time frame. And we didn't trigger anything, but we saw again 5 minutes M formation neckline retest, which was a good trade. You could have gotten 60, 70 pips there. And then as it gets to the bottom, Oak started selling and it just reversed off support, mate.
Really?
Everybody cried. Yeah, in the Nasdaq group.
Really?
Myself and Jason just sitting here laughing, like we're being patient, but it's also killing us not taking them, right?
Yeah.
But you know, it's pointless throwing away that money. It's really dumb.
Yeah. Exactly.
As much as I want to click this mouse as well, it's just dumb. It's dumb. The world needs to settle. It's good. The markets, the stock exchange is fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we were looking at the 4-hour time frame, right? And the wicks are fucking bigger than the bodies. Like,
Really?
No, really, man. It's like when you drop toothpicks.
Fucking hell.
But it shows us it's what we're doing on GJ and gold, right? We've had to come all the way down to low time frames to hunt for a trade, right? It says something. Normally people will be trading 1 hour, 30-minute charts. We're not doing it. We're not even doing it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, I think Don might have got that 30-minute closure above. You can see to the left. Yeah, so look how the 15 looked. The 15 looked awful. Look at them, the OX. But it makes sense, right? I mean, in them areas there, you know, where would you want to take trades in? Well, you know, it's not going to be in them areas. It's going to be a little bit scary, but still looking like it's continued over here up to 1824. Stop loss was pretty alright, like 30 pips. So 21.95. Let's take a look at where Donny got in. Was on the 30-minute. After it made it, yeah, after it made a lower wick and the top wick, nice. You watching this, Bri?
Man, but I'm watching it on the 5 because there's a bit of a wedge. You'll see it on the 15, but you'll see it wider now on the 5. And it's broken that high. So let's just see what the next candle gives.
So going in on the break at the highs there. Yeah, no bottom.
Yeah, I'm not sure bottom. Now it could also still stuff around it, but that's the thing. It's in this wedge. We need a break. We need a break outside the wedge.
Yeah.
I think we've clocked that 10,000 hour rule thing by now.
Oh yeah. Feels like in this past fucking 2 weeks, to be honest.
And we still suck. No, I'm kidding.
I don't think this boy ever takes a trade. Yeah, you're not wrong. Recently, fuck. Not wrong. There's just nothing here. But, I mean, stream as a whole in London, DC took a loss today, but he didn't really count it as a loss, which is silly. He took a 1 win and 1 loss yesterday, so he should be 8 and 6. So he's 8 wins, 6 losses. Dr. Dollar's just taken 2 losses today, so no wonder I'm fucking not taking any trades. Everyone's fucking losing. Because why? Price is acting shit. So I'm sitting about. And yes, it's boring, but this is the thing, right? The reason why people are on this stream is because of the fact that there isn't any opportunities, so don't take trades when they're not there. There's no need. And when they are there, and when there's going to be some big volume, then you'll see, you know, the trades taken will be, you know, 6 wins, 2 losses, and then you're like, oh wow, that was worth it now. Instead of fucking 10 wins and 6 losses, 7 losses. You just gotta wait. There's so many times in the day to take trades, you just gotta wait for the right one. I got 5 minutes. It's holding it. And yesterday NY was kind of boring too. Yep, it fucking was. It was, man. But it's genuinely like, for me now, this doesn't affect me. If you don't like the way I, do things or run things here, that's completely fair enough. I'm happy for that because I can see it. If you're sitting here for 2 weeks, I'm taking fucking 2 trades. Fair enough, but I just know in the long run it's worth it because there's nothing going on apart from impulses. If you want to take impulses, then yeah, I think DC is probably the one you should watch because he takes a lot of impulses. But the impulses, as I said, are not good run weights. Max, that motherfucker here who hated you for not taking trades now is complete gambling. 5 minute over here, made a top bottom wick now. Interesting. This should continue. I'm gonna wait for another closure though on the 30 minute. I think. Give me that extra confirmation. That's what I'll wait for. Oh, look at Goldie. Oh shit, this is looking interesting over here. Maybe some news over here. I knew these sells are gonna come. 30 minutes left. Oh, sorry, 11 minutes left for this 30-minute candle. So maybe gold sells as well if it finally closes nicely. But we'll see what the score is with that. Shit. That ain't too bad. Oh, mate. Did you like the episode? Yes, 94%. Oh, yes! So these are all fucking Star Wars nerds as well. These aren't just like no random people. Get in. It's gonna be a good episode.
You guys had a Bitcoin debate this morning. Where it's going to.
It's going to the fucking ground.
Shitter.
It is going to the shitter. Yep, that's my guess. That's my guess. Look at GJ over here. Goldie over here, nice.
If you traded that wedge on GJ, the first impulse, you would have gotten 11, and the second impulse, you would have gotten 10. So you can trade them, right?
Yeah.
It's just that you've got to do it over time, that you see it more and more and more.
Yeah.
Because people not trading like patterns and stuff, like quick scalps. These are in and outs. You don't hold these, right? Because they're playing between price.
Yeah.
So you could easily have taken 2 little trades there, impulse. But people that aren't used to it will probably end up getting scared to take more other trades that are better trades.
Yeah, boy. Correct me if I'm wrong, the 5-minute strategy used on gold just happened now on GJ. No, don't think so. Let's take a look if you did it from this high here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're not wrong actually.
Yeah, because it's the wedge.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, Wendy. Yeah. Little push out. Look at this. This is struggling a little bit over here. It's mad. It's mad. So yeah, I mean, let's take a look then. So, dollar's taken 2 losses this morning. DC. Take a look at my boy DC in the building.
We saw even political.
I like his voice. It's funny.
Enough confidence to invest into anything long term for that matter.
Yeah. So he's no trades taken today. Who else is on here? But yeah, trust me, I'm the one that the market. I'm the one person that wants the markets to be amazing, but they're just not. So I'm just not taking anything. Yeah, he hasn't taken anything for fucking ages, champion pips. So just sit back and relax. I want gold FOMO sells. Look at GJ, wow. Back in the zone. What favourite vape you got? I got a blueberry raspberry. There's actually nothing in it. It's actually right now. I'm just sucking on it to hope it actually comes out, but nothing will. Selling Bitcoin is the best shower. Is it still going down? Oh my god. I've seen Brian. I've seen Sasha hasn't talked about his dogs much recently.
Yeah.
His dogs ain't worth much anymore.
Yeah, NFT dogs.
Oh shit! Look, we're breaking the lows, man. Let's see how far this pumps.
And he's now buying NFT properties. I'm like, oh my god, this guy's gonna build a whole little dog village for himself.
You could do that in like Sims though, so I just don't get it. Like, what the? It's just a fucking game, like. I'm at 4K short in Bitcoin for 3 days. Wow. Yeah, and if you could just trail it on the 4-hour time frames, you'd be pretty much. Oh my god, that's sick. Apart from that one, you'd be balls deep in this. The whole thing. I mean, obviously these were retracements, but look at that. Look at these ones here. Top wick, top wick, top wick. Doesn't break the high of the previous, apart from there. So you'd have got that whole move. Wow. I want to see this, man. Oh my god, let's draw this candle over here. It's gonna be some. Oh shit. Let's look at the daily. So it has broken the daily lows, like you said. Yeah, that don't look too good. That does not look too good right now. Be careful, squad. Be careful. For me now, I want to keep my money and my assets and stuff I can actually hold. I can grab it with my hand. I can grab bricks and water. I can grab like an investment or a car or something. For me, this Fugazi bullshit fucking stock crap, nah. If you do it for a daytime, if you do it all day as your job, then everything else I want is in fucking physical form. Fun fact, even with FOMC last interest rate hikes, Bitcoin didn't move much with it. I don't know why, since it's traded against the dollar. Ah, that's kind of interesting. I wonder why.
Probably because all the market makers have already dumped their Bitcoin.
Yeah, they've already dumped it. They're already out. They're already out of there. GJ coming back up again. 30-minute time frame going to be closing bullish. We'll have to see. I will buy Bitcoin below 1k. Oh my god. I just want a bit of Trump in the news, man. I miss him.
Yeah, bring him back.
Yeah, Sleepy Joe is really, really, really boring. Really fucking boring. He has nothing about it, man. He boring as hell. I started buying 1 kilogram silver bars a couple of years ago and getting rid of some problem properties. Problem properties. What do you mean by problem properties? Like there was just a lot of issues with them and they were just hard to maintain. Yeah. Touchwood, mine's been alright at the moment, but I think that would be quite annoying actually. If you had people in and things were just breaking all the time and like, all this rent's just going on fixing this fucking house, that'd be kind of annoying.
Yeah, or the tenant. It's like,
yeah, there's some cunt like tenants.
Yeah, people won't pay you the rent and that.
Yeah.
You need like a family, like
yeah,
family or something.
Yeah, that's what I got. I think I got some teacher and stuff in a single parent.
Yeah, it's pretty safe then.
Yeah, that's not too bad. It is good though. I mean, it's kind of hard to be two minded because obviously I'm already a fucking landlord, but I think for like the younger people, it does fucking suck for the houses. It does suck. So 15-minute closed not above, the 3-minute time frame closed bullish, so I think this is going to eventually continue up, it's just hard to get in. Break of the high, stop loss above the current would be 19 pips. Yeah, that's not even worth it. That's funny, Ryan. I had a teacher of mine, don't be fooled, she was a fucking tramp. That's great. 50-minute closed bearish and Goldie, but it still hasn't closed below my little line. I kind of want that first. 30-minute did close bearish though. Could potentially fill that wick. How much would you stop being the current? Yeah, 32 pips. What do you think of this 5-minute closes above Bry?
Yeah, you can go for it.
Yeah.
It's building nicely. Bullish, 15-minute, lots of bull candles. Confirmation.
Yeah.
Outside the wedge, support.
A lot of confluences.
Let's chuck a fib on here. It's 5-minute fib. Yeah, aggressive 38. Supports on the 61 and 50. The 38 holds, you could definitely buy here.
Looks pretty good. And then to the zones to the upside for runners, I mean, nice clean candles to the daily
if
flip.
you check the 1H, if you check the 1H, it's clean to like 162, 250, right? But now it's got the wicks.
Yeah. Yeah. Stop loss is 16 pips now, I think. Oh, 14 on here. And that'll be the continuation of the 15 and the 30s. Back up, yeah.
Actually, see how the 15-minute wick projected from that?
Yeah, there.
level?
Yeah, I saw that. Here, like this wick down there. Down. Breaking of the 15-minute highs very shortly. So it'd actually just be a 50-minute play. Stop loss is going to be... stop loss is fucking massive, man. 20 pips. Looks good, though. The only thing you could say is if it retests back here, stop loss below. But I think I'd want to do a retest in the 5-minute. Candles are just so big, bro. If it makes this low wick and then breaks, then maybe. Looking like it's going to break it already, though. Yeah. I fucking bought a GJ, man. Give me a nice, reasonable fucking stop, please, for the love of Jesus. 19 pips is not fucking reasonable. Like, it's happened all fucking 3 weeks. What the? Pie limit. Goldie maybe continuing down over here. 50-minute time range, got 8 minutes left. Yeah.
I hope it fucking does.
You waiting for it?
No, I'm already in.
Where do you get in on this one? No, this one. On the 5 or on the 15 top wick and flip.
No. Go to the 5. You see, yeah, you see that bullish reversal. Then you have a minor 5-minute bearish. I went on the flip of that 5-minute bearish. I'm at break even for 5 minutes now already. So.
Yeah.
Because I have my trend line a bit different than you.
Yeah, that's a nicer one.
And then you see how that bullish one, it tapped the trend line back up.
Yeah.
I'll draw up a chart. Like this.
Yeah, boy. I knew GJ was gonna fucking come up, man. Just triggering it. A fucking nice stop. Beautiful. Um, 14 pips in a minute, yeah. Wow, beautiful. Well done, GJ, again for the fucking 30th time, running in with no bottom wick in a 5 minutes, and amazing. There we go, straight to 500. That's what I want at the daily.
Yeah, we said it would go there.
Yeah.
I didn't get in on the 5 because of the no bottom wick and the stops on the previous were like 20 pips.
Yeah.
But it's all good. We knew where it was going. It's fine.
AJ pushing
That
up.
shit can't.
What?
Look at this. What the? Dirty dog.
Fuck's sake. What a fucking dirty dog. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, I see. Oh, yeah, that was nice.
See, touch that trend line.
Yeah, and then resistance form.
Become resistance.
Yeah.
Then it flip off the candle, and yeah, now we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
So it's just case specific. You've either got to wait for the closure and go for it, or you got to wait for the resistance. Like I said yesterday.
Yeah.
You just got to be careful with the play.
Yes, sir. Oh, that was
Vincent is a lot more relaxed with his entries on gold. He waits for the extra confirmation.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
pretty
yeah.
good, and he definitely waits. But Jason will send it, but Vincent waits for another confirmation, which is nice to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I play it a bit safer. I'd rather lose it. I'd rather see a trade pass me by.
Yeah.
And well, not being in it than jumping in it and getting my ass whooped just to see it go my way 10 minutes later, because then I wouldn't take it because I would take the loss.
Yeah.
So I'd rather have some confirmation for a more secure setup than a risky setup or no setup. I don't care.
Yeah, boy. Mr. GJ, yeah, there's the only way to get in was on the 50-minute, the 5-minute closure. You could have just triggered it as an impulse with no bottom wick, or you could have just got on the break at the 15. The stop loss is 20 pips. Yeah. Look at this hourly now in gold. Yeah. Doo-doo. Do. Just live a Goldie now. Oh, it's retraced a little bit. What time frame is this? Oh, 50 minutes. Shit. Shit, boy. Champion got it. Lovely. Yeah, nice. Nice for impulses again. Beautiful.
That is what it is, man.
What, Jace?
I'm sorry, I took that Goldie.
Oh, the same one as Vince.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm neat, man. Yeah, go have a relationship now.
Yeah.
I can't put my meta trader in, what you call it, in the Zoom chat.
You can't put it in. What you talking about?
Because he's on his app, so he can't send a link.
Oh, okay, okay. I get you. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, the 5. 5 worked out nicely, man. I would have been balls deep in that if I made a fucking bottom wick. Thanks for the GJ Cole, guys. Oh, someone took it. Someone was Someone trigger fingered it, boy. Someone trigger fingered it. So, I mean, yeah. It's at 9 o'clock. Let's take a look at how the hourly closed. Actually, yeah, it's going to be breaking hourly lows as well. Interesting. What about gold sells in the 50-minute closure? Yeah.
Telegram chat. I put it in the Telegram chat, man.
Yeah, I know. A sniper. I can't really see what you did there, to be honest, but nice. Very good, very nice. $30 pips on gold. You still look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah. 13 minutes left. 1817, 1814. Back down to the 4-hour flip would be kind of nice. Yes, sir. Dude, this trade had no entry, no confirmation of the impulse. Also, yeah. Sivaji, Max, why this month trades are less in the stream? Because there's no trades to take, boy. I have not seen in London session yet, apart from later on when I did the fucking simulation yesterday, a closure above. So let's just take a look over here. So a fucking closure above anywhere like this. I haven't seen this all fucking month, right? This. I haven't seen that happen yet, ever, this month. In the sessions we trade, in the times we trade, so there's just no real clear setups. There's just nothing. It's just an impulse. Here, this was nice. The 5-minute broke out. As we talked about it, we just talked about it for about an hour, but we wanted to wait for a lower wick over here because it gives you that rejection, and then you could either get in earlier or get in on the break of the high after that. But I just didn't give it. I think what people remember is, you know, if that made a low wick and then we got into here, you'd be saying a completely different thing, right? You'd be like, oh, you know, he's taking a trade here, amazing. It's just, it's just impulses, bro. I've noticed we've been getting good volume between 9 and 10. Yep, I agree. I've seen that as well. Same with NY, 2:30, 3 o'clock. Yeah, exactly. So it's just the way that I've, you know, traded for a very, very long time, and how I learned it is trading in them time zones from like 12 o'clock till 2, and now it's all after. So it's just like, yeah, okay, fair enough, but that's my trading window, boy. The trading window. So 50-minute close bearish on Goldie, no top wick. Beautiful. Max, how much percentage are you up this month? Let's take a look. I actually took another gold trade here, but as a group with the trades that I've put out, 3.5%. Yes, sir. Yeah, all the it's good. That's good that you're noticing that though, my man, for later on. Yeah, NYSC's been nice. So Goldie over here did continue down, and yeah, worked out nicely. So if you had the trend line from there. How many trades you took in NY session this month? 1, 2, and I've taken 3. Taken 3 of them. 3. Yeah, boy. Let's take a look here as well. Is AJ continuing up? Yeah, AJ's continuing up, which is kind of nice. Still got the 30-minute time frame now. Yeah, AJ looks not too bad actually. Still look at the 15 minutes, closing in 12 minutes time. 3.5% is good. Cheers, man. Yeah, man, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's just the amount of trades taken is very small. GJ buy question mark. GJ buys are down here. You have to just take the impulse in the 5. Yeah. Bow, 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 bow. Oh my god. Bitcoin's flipping. Bitcoin's flipping. 20,000 US dollars is that now. Shit, boy. It's looking nasty. Is Dr. Dollar stopped out? No. Dr. Dollar has taken 2 L's and 1 win. He took this buy here. And then he took the loss there and the loss there. Sell limit not activated yet. Buy limit, yeah, that's a good buy limit. GJ target 165 500. Oh wow, you want to hold this on a little longer over here. 165 500. Oh, just be careful what the higher time frames are looking like, right? Look how bearish we are. Probably a little bit overestimating it yet. Maybe wait for a bullish daily closure, maybe at least. I think. At least. So if we break above over here, we should come to 93,505. See you later, Oscar, my boy. See you later, brother. Is AJ a good setup if there's a closure? Yeah. Yeah, in 10 minutes time or something. I think so. I think so. I think that'll be pretty reasonable. Ah, fuck. Let's take a look here. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like AJ may be rejecting over here. I'll wait for this 15 closure. This next 15 closure in 10 minutes time, and then we'll see. Still no top wick on the 15. Yeah, looking like GJ had a nice little push there. We talked about it, discussed it for this time. It's just the no 5-minute bottom wick. I told you to just sell Bitcoin low. Yeah, just every single day, just click sell Asian session. You should be good. You should be good. You should be good. Oh man, this is so boring. I just want something. I literally haven't clicked fucking buy and sell. I mean, I have in these little crappy trees that we've been messing around with, but god damn. The proper trades, holy shit, there's been nothing. Looking like GJ's Goldie is continuing down now, so yeah, maybe that 5-minute there is pretty reasonable. This 1 hour is going to go bearish in GJ, you think? Maybe. For me now, this is just in the zone, right? So taking buys and sells in this area is bad because it's right in the middle of it. You get in there, or you get for sells there, but never in the middle. Will you trade the news today? I'll definitely watch it probably. Am I busy tonight? Oh, I think I might be busy tonight actually, so I will not be.
Ooh, on a bender.
No, I'm going to the fire. We'll make a fire. We'll make a fire.
Going to the fire?
Yeah, we go to like a fire pit and like fucking make a fire in the woods and shit. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. Ooh, this one's groovy. I like this song. I have a Binance account, but thankfully never used it after looking at the reviews online. Oh, shit. Shit. Right, let's just do some questions over here. How old is everyone in the chat? How old is everyone? Put your age in the chat. I want to see how old everyone is. I'm 21. Nearly 22 in like 4 days. 23, 42, 43. 41, 43, 39. Wow. There's quite a lot of older people actually in here. I like this. 52. Fuck off, Scott. Wow, look at the people in the YouTube. 27. Wow, there's quite a lot of older people. Yeah. Oh, no, there's quite younger ones as well, actually. 21. 33.
Oh, be careful how you define old.
Older than me, that's what I'm saying. Older than me. Older than me.
You be careful, boy. You be careful. Social media is on our side.
Yeah, there's a lot of us. You see it now.
Yeah, wow. Fuck. I didn't know I was trading with a bunch of grannies. Fuck you, 43 isn't old. I'm joking, man. I was meaning, like, I thought maybe I'd see. To be honest with you, actually, this is quite interesting. If this was someone else's stream, I bet you, if this is like Dollar's stream, I bet his audience is a lot younger. Because it's, yeah.
Yeah, they're all babies.
Yeah, that's. Put it this way, I scroll for ages for my birth year. Yeah, so people's people's audience over here will be different. So mine is actually above 30 on average, it looks like. Yeah, above 30. Whereas I think someone...
Why, Max?
Why? It's because I'm old. People like me because I'm old.
No. It's because you're more calculated. You're not risky like other traders, right? Other streamers, where they're just triggering shit just because. Look, yeah, you could have done the same thing this whole week, right?
Yeah.
You're a little bit more calculated. And I think that will definitely bring the older audience.
Yeah. More set. It's more of a set thing. It isn't just rushing in, right? It's more like, I mean, like Dollar here, he's taken 3 trades this morning. He's changed his bias twice.
100%.
But they quite like that, you know. The kids would like that, you know. It's not. They
want action.
Yeah.
The older you get, the more you get used to stuff being boring. You don't care.
Yeah.
And I saw, I think it was this morning or yesterday, someone posted in mentorship this picture. Trading is boring. 95% of the boring traders make, of the more exciting traders, they lose in the end.
Yeah.
It's good to
and as
be
you get
one of those
older,
5% boring.
Yeah, as you get older, you lose your risk appetite, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you start to worry about your bonds and your car and your investments and stuff like that, right? So it's your youngsters, they don't care about that. They free will.
Yeah.
I started getting scared of ladders now. And it used to be up 12 meters high. So. Now I'm like, do I really have to get up this 2-meter ladder? Better than the skylift.
Because Max has tight stop losses, which are pretty nice. Yeah, I think that's the main thing.
Yeah, but I think it's now that you realize you've got an older audience, it says something about your trading as well, right?
Yeah, for sure. Right, pulling up there. How many years you guys been trading? Good question. Good question. How many years, everyone? So looking at it on the basis, this is what I like doing, right? And this is what keeps me sound, right? I've got all my setups over here. So let's take a look at the setups and my entries, right? So let's just take a look over here. So we've got resistance forming, support forming, closure below, closure above, celery plays, closure back in the zone, and then impulse entries is not the one that we look at, right? So let's take a look on GJ, go through it for a whole. So here was actually kind of nice. I know it didn't close below, but it's kind of a nice top wick, and the stop loss above was pretty good. So that was pretty nice for a closure below. But that was 6 a.m., so a bit early. Range. No closure above, breaker highs, impulse. Okay, so that's fine. I couldn't take anything on GJ today. Goldie, 5 minutes. We saw the 5-minute buys over here at 6 a.m., 6:30, sorry. They could have worked out nicely. 50 minutes bullish closure above here. I mean, that could have worked out, but I started stream there, and then we came up to resistance to the left, so it wasn't nice at all. Now it's ranging a little bit over here. 30-minute closed bearish below. Oh, sorry, bearish, not with a strong bearish candle, so could actually still hold that support. So there's no sells for me on the higher time frames other than the 5, because that stop was kind of big, yeah. AJ been ranging, closing in a minute's time, maybe above. It's not really the nicest area with the wicks, but look at these wicks to the left there. Yeah. So yeah, there's been nothing, and that's why I don't take anything. Steve, 1 week on Forex. Wowza, you boy. Wow, these are in years, yeah. 3 years, 2.5, 5. Beautiful. Probability and possibility. That's the difference between you and other traders, in my opinion. Ah. Yeah. Brian, you just got done in the chat. That's true, yeah. So is it a probable setup or is it a possible setup? That's true, and I think maybe today dollar was more possible than probable. Or someone maybe like that. It's more probable. So they have more action, but they're probable. Chicks to get bold. See how this left hand side's a little bit assy over here. So it is 9:30 as well. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4 hours reflipping. Daily time frame is bullish again. Didn't close above for me. So another impulse there as well. Same as GJ. Chicks ticket. Milan's in the group. Where the fuck was Milan? I just saw Milan in the chat. Where the fuck is he? Milan, where the fuck? Oh yeah, hello from Milan. I'll be back in a month. Just need to care some issues. Nice, nice, brother. Nice, brother. So 30 minutes closed. My only issue was I kind of wanted to get a bit higher. Why? Well, because now if you take a look here, this is where support is, and this is where we've tapped. So that was kind of where I wanted the move. The only thing was the 15 there. It's probably the only way to get in. Let's take a look at the 5 minute, a little bit lower down. Yeah. All traders I saw you take, it's 70% of winning usually. Dollar is playing on ranges, buying and selling. It's 50-50 chance. Yeah. Yeah, boy. We bold fuckers. Africans fucking bold like? That unknown thing. So, I mean, later on now, guys, this 4-hour time frame in 28 minutes is going to be really, really important, because if we close above here, or more so there, above that level, that's going to be beautiful to continue bullish. However, you need to remember, buys right now probably not the best, because there's a resistance here to the left hand side. This could be a big resistance, so you've got to be a little bit cautious. I'd wait for this 4-hour to close now. Yeah, I think that's what I'd do. I'd wait for the 4-hour to close. I think that'll make life a little bit easier over here. Looking like AJ, impulse trade, break of the highs. Your stop loss would be 13 pips for a 22 pip zone. Could be okay. could be okay. Men's risk appetite decreases in every other way when they get old except chasing skids. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, so yeah, looking like AJ may continue over here. Nice, another impulsive which break the highs. It'll be beautiful. GG over here. Yeah, that was the move on the 5-minute time frame. Brian broke it down nicely over here. Had a little descending trend over here. You see like that. Finally broke out of it. 5 minutes. So yeah, 5-minute entries there. It would have been beautiful. You just had to have the balls to put them in. My balls are not big enough yet. My balls would be big enough if the month was nice so far, but it hasn't been. So yeah, beautiful. Break of the highs. Nice work. If it went into any drawdown there, yeah, you'd be straight at 10 pips pretty much when it retests that area. That was the only issue, but we're down nicely, man. Worked out nicely. So yeah, I'm going to leave it off over here now. It's 9:30, and I think waiting for this 4 hours is going to be really, really good on GJ. That was the move. Unfortunately, we couldn't catch it because of the way it closed and the 5-minute time frame's no lower wick. Yeah, gold over here continued bullish. So well done for taking the buys a little bit earlier on. And we'll see you later. So tomorrow I'm going to be on the stream a little bit earlier, I think. Yeah, I'll come on a little bit earlier. Why not? So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. I know it's been boring, but fuck me, it's just there's no entries, right? But yeah, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys at NY. Peace out, squad. See you later, alligators. See you later, bro. See you later, squad. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos. See you later, YouTube. Thank you for so much for coming on, and we'll see you guys. Trust me, the good times are coming, boy. There's just no entries for me. Still up 4% this month. It's a very, very low amount, but it's better than most people, and there's been barely any trades taken. See you guys. Thank you so much for coming on, and peace out, man. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos.